Ah! No! Brock's here. Say hi, Brock. What's today? Tuesday?
Tuesday, yeah.
It's Tuesday. Tuesday after President's Day. The car is pretty much all aired out now. We got it all dry. Give it another vacuum real quick. And the other side's dry. Let me turn this off real quick. It's been on for like 3 days. So we got the interior all dried out finally. Did a final clean and vacuum and whatever. You can kind of see everything's nice looking in here, except for this beautiful marbling of the carpet. Logic dictates we make it not dry. So, am I right? Spend time drying out the car, just make it wet again.
It just needs to be low.
You hold on over there, okay?
Yeah, it's 30 bucks on eBay. But cut springs are free.
I'm just gonna ignore him for the time being, and I'm just gonna go and get rid of these stains and everything because that's what you guys really want to see. You don't want to see no. Okay, maybe. Okay, I don't know. I might be speaking for you, but let me know if you want to see gracelands and stuff. But first things first, we're gonna show you how to use a household cleaner to clean up all this crap. Alright, so we got the interior pretty well cleaned up here. We did the one pass. As you can see, 10 times better already. And it's already pretty much dry. It's been a little bit since me and Brock totally started cleaning it out. You can see there's definitely still some spots over on this side, but we're not going for like a deep clean or anything. We're just trying to make it better than it was, and definitely achieve that. So figured keep on moving on with the whole trying to clean things out thing. And we took the fender off. I took the fender off. Brock left. Getting all the dirt out of here. That's what came out. We're gonna go ahead and get all this stuff out. Alright, I'm gonna try to post this whole thing now because I haven't. Alright, so it's like what, Thursday?
Wednesday.
Whatever, I don't know.
Wednesday.
Doesn't even matter at this point, I've just about died. We're down here, me and Brock, we just started our work for the day. And yeah, I started on that side cleaning up the panels, and I was working on this side, and I just smacked the crap out of this panel. And this freaker, ah! No! He's climbing, quick, kill it, fire. Where's he going? Open the garage door. I need a
I need a quick exit just in case. Just in case y'all didn't know, I don't spider very well. And I don't know what it is either, so. Oh my geez, man.
See, the biggest problem right now is I don't know if there's more in the kick panel here.
Probably, considering that one just popped out and the car's been sitting outside for a year.
I don't even know. Yeah, I'm honestly considering like just using the vacuum and just leaving them in there.
You know, that'd probably be a better
Honestly,
idea.
Yeah, we're not gonna use nothing. This is how chicken I am when it comes to spiders. I'm not. No.
Not about it.
Oh hell no. Oh hell no. Just keep recording whatever you do. We got our Spider Eliminator 5000. You go ahead and go first. Because I'm not gonna open it for a while. Now we're ready to go.
You get him? I don't know.
Yeah. So after reviewing the tape, we believe he's definitely not in the car anymore. He was sucked up into the vacuum, but we believe that he, if he's still here,
Yep.
yeah, is right there. I think that's the guy. I mean, he looks really small.
Yeah.
I will sacrifice my life for science and Claptrap.
Is that a spider?
I think at one point it might have been a spider. So if you're going with after a spider, use a vacuum. Apparently they can't hack it.
No. Or a shoe.
Yeah, we're good. You know, or if you're like me, just. What's up? Cool. Claptrap.
Well-
Definitely has inhabited.
Yeah. It definitely had at least one, so I'm sure we'll see more.
See, I went over here, and there's this body panel right here, right? And then, like that, and all of a sudden the spider came out. You know why?
Why?
That was a cop knock.
Please open up the door.
I'm doubting myself, even though we saw it on video. This sucker went right into the vacuum cleaner. I swear, if you do a jump scare right now, we're not friends anymore. Open up. Man. Jeez.
This guy's real
I keep hearing
scared.
this, so I thought you were over there, and all of a sudden I see somebody walking up behind me. I'm like, what the hell is going on? Yeah, I'm just telling you, I'm super jumpy right now. It's not funny, man.
Pretty funny. We get to clean in these seats.
Yeah, so that was the objective for tonight. Clean seats, not chase varmints.
Alright, yeah, so we're gonna vacuum seats and we'll get started with cleaning, so hopefully spider free from here on out. Let's hope so. Alright, so the seats are back in now. No further pests.
Yeah.
No further pests to report on. But I gave it a good clean. Got the windows cleaned up, even though they're all shot. Dash looks nice. The seats look nice. And it still doesn't look like a brand new car, but think of it with a stereo and door panels. Those are what's holding it back right now. But you know, I gotta fix the harness for stereo.
think down here is still a little disgusting, but that's a quick rag, we'll wipe kind of thing. Everything's clean. A little bit discolored, but whatever. Either way, that's about enough cleaning. We cleaned out the first one. We did the carpet cleaning and seats in this one. And honestly, that's about it for interior. Next one, I think I got headlights. I got headlights coming tomorrow. We're gonna do radiator cap, serpentine belt, you know, mechanical stuff and get it ready because I think I'm getting the key tonight. One of Brock's friends found the key of Claptrap the day after the first video aired and messaged us, said he's got the key. So Marcus supposedly has it. So we're gonna try it. If it works, then Claptrap will be off to the races. We're gonna get food. So say bye, Brock.
Later.
Till next time, take it easy. See you later.
I'm a true champion.